Hey there, digital marketers. Today, I'm diving into the secret world of Instagram quote pages and how they turn simple words into cash. When I first stumbled upon this, it blew my mind, and of course, I had to share it with you because that's what we do here. Not only will I uncover their money-making strategies, but I'll also show you how to flood your new Instagram page with beautiful quotes using Canva's bulk feature. And guess what? You can do this even with Canva's free version. If not, trust me, Canva Pro is worth every penny. It's a game changer and super affordable. I'll guide you step by step to create these quotes in bulk, ensuring your Instagram page looks top-notch. But that's not all. I'll reveal the hidden gem that helps you generate income through faceless digital marketing, perfect for those who are camera shy, exhausted from daily chores, or just need a break from being in front of the lens. So, if you're ready to learn how to effortlessly make money online, stick around. Let's get started and turn your Instagram page into a revenue machine. All right, everyone. Welcome to my computer. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to generate a ton of social media content within minutes. It's going to blow your mind. First up, we're using the free version of Chat GPT. When you get to Chat GPT, type in a prompt like this. Generate 10 quotes on the topic of make money online. Each quote should be deep, inspirational, and relevant to the chosen topic. Include the author's name if available. This is my niche, so I use this example. If you're in fitness, type quote for Instagram Reels on fitness or working out. For cooking, type something related to cooking. Tailor the prompt to your specific niche. Once you hit enter, Chat GPT will generate 10 quotes for your Instagram Reels. This is a lifesaver, especially if you're juggling a 9-to-5 job and a busy life. You won't have to think too much about creating new content. For example, some quotes might be, "Success in the online world is not about working harder, but smarter. It's about leveraging the right tools and strategies to create value and impact." Or, "The internet is a goldmine of opportunities. You just need to know where to dig and how to mine." These quotes grab attention and make viewers want to stop and read your caption. After ChatGPT generates the quotes, copy them all and paste them into Google Sheets. Then, download the file as a CSV. All right, everyone, let's dive into Canva and create some amazing Instagram Reels. Head over to the Canva website and search for Instagram Reels quotes. You'll see a plethora of stunning design templates. I'm going to pick one that catches my eye. Once you find a design you love, click on it and hit Customize this template. Now, let's move on to the exciting part. Head over to the Apps section and select Bulk Create. This feature is exclusive to Canva Pro users, so if you're using the free version, you might want to consider their 30-day free trial. Using Bulk Create will make your content creation process incredibly efficient and fun. It allows you to generate multiple designs in just a few clicks, saving you tons of time. All right, I've just signed up for the 30-day free trial, and my account is all set to use this amazing feature. Next, I'll hit Upload Data and pick the CSV file we downloaded earlier. After that, I'll click on Connect Data to link everything up. And just like that, all our status updates are connected. Now, I'll go ahead and click the Generate 9 Designs button. As you can see, we've got a total of 10 different design templates created with a variety of text styles. How cool is that? It's super quick and easy. Since the backgrounds are currently duplicated, I'll go ahead and replace them. I'll head over to Elements, search for Beach, and select Video. I'll pick the videos that I like best. Then, I'll drag these new elements in to replace the current ones and tweak them to look just right. I'll keep doing this for all the videos. Everything looks great now. It's time to download them to my computer. I'll click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and then hit the Download button. After a moment, your videos will be saved to your computer. The next step is to upload these short videos to Instagram. All right, everyone, now I'm going to share an even simpler method. This time, we'll use Dracula AI instead of Chat GPT. Dracula AI comes with built-in libraries, so all you need to do is select and use them. I'll show you how Dracula AI creates quotes more easily than Chat GPT. I'll use the AI Writer feature, which has tons of templates available. Let's find the quotes template. I need to scroll down a bit to find it. Here it is, click to select it. Dracula AI will ask what topic you want to create quotes for. I'll enter Make Money Online. Below that, there are a few advanced options like AI model, creativity, and number of results. Here, I'll enter the number of quotes I want to generate. I'll put in 10 to see how it goes. All right, then just click the Generate button. See, It's simpler and faster compared to using Chat GPT. There's a neat feature if you want to replicate your channel for different countries. Just highlight the quotes, select Translate to, and choose the language you want. I'll pick Japanese to show you. Perfect, fast, and convenient. Now, click Save to save your work. Next, take your quotes to Canva and design them. Simple, right? Once you have enough videos, it's time to post them on Instagram, but we need status and hashtags. You can ask Chat GPT to write these for you, but I'll use Dracula AI to save time. Select the category Social Media and then Instagram Captions. The tool will ask, what is your Instagram post about? I'll type in make money online and click generate. And there you have its statuses and hashtags. This is perfect for those who struggle with giving clear instructions to Chat GPT. The number of results depends on your settings. I'll enter 2 to see what comes up. See, everything is pre-configured and super quick. Click the link in the description to try Dracula AI. That's how we use AI for faceless digital marketing. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Hold on a second, I have a little gift for you as a thank you for taking the time to watch almost the entire video. You see, today, AI is helping us in so many ways. Many businesses save thousands of dollars by reducing staff, and numerous case studies show people making millions with just one employee. I've put together a PLR product about AI that covers 20 ways to use Chat GPT to make money. I've bundled it into a package that includes an ebook, a sales page, and a set of ebook covers. You're free to use this to sell on Etsy, Amazon, or anywhere you like. Just click the link I've provided below to get it for free. All I ask is for you to give me a channel subscription, a like, and a thank you by commenting below the video. That would really make my day. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something and enjoyed learning how to create reels for your faceless digital marketing or digital marketing account. It's super easy to use and especially handy if you're busy. If you don't have time to create reels or think about quotes, this is the solution for you. If you found this video valuable, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest from the channel. See you in the next video.